Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is this super quick eyeliner tutorial with a few things added to make it more fun and kind of holiday looking. And if you want to see how I achieved it, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to prime my eyes using the Louise base in the shade 02. And it's not as much for priming because I'm not going to apply any eyeshadow today, but I just want my eyelid to look clean and get rid of any discoloration. Now using a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply some translucent powder to set my base. You can also apply some eyeshadow that is close to your skin color, just as long as the base is not sticky. Today I'm using the Stay All Day eyeliner from Stila, and this is my first time using it. I just got my package from Sephora and it has really good reviews, so I hope I like it because I actually never repurchased the same pen twice. I'm still looking for my perfect eyeliner. If you guys have a favorite eyeliner pen, please let me know in the comments. Maybe I try that one next. So I'm leaving the space in the middle blank for now, and I'm gonna do the inner corner wing. This is one of those things that I really like to use a pen for. Not that it's impossible with other eyeliners, but pens are just so much more precise and it makes things a lot easier. Now I'm going to connect both parts of my wing, but I'm gonna leave that space in the middle. I'm going to fill in using some gel liner, and the reason I'm doing it is because it's kind of sticky and I'm gonna be applying pressed glitter on top of it, so it actually has a base to stick to. If you don't have any gel liner, you can go all the way with a liquid liner, but then you will need to use like a glitter primer or maybe even a little bit of lash glue, something that your glitter can stick to. I'm using Morphe G27 brush, and I forgot to show it to you guys. This shade is called Bambooyah. This is a single pressed glitter eyeshadow from Colourpop. For my waterline, I'll be mixing these two shades from Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette to match the glitter. I'm going to apply some mascara and lashes, and I totally forgot to highlight my brow bone, which I usually do first, and I'll be using the lightest shade from You Had Me at Hello palette from Colourpop. So here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!